In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams camera not working. If you've ever struggled with getting your camera to function properly during a Teams call, you're certainly not alone. This common issue can be frustrating, but the good news is that there are some straightforward steps you can take to hopefully resolve it quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step, starting with logging into your Microsoft Teams account. You'll want to head over to the Teams website or open your Teams app. Now, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Make sure you enter the correct login details for your account. It's a crucial first step because without being logged in, you won't be able to access the other functionalities needed to resolve the camera issue. Once you're signed in, navigate to the option that allows you to start a meeting. This is typically labeled as Start Meeting and is essential as it enables you to test whether your camera works within the Teams environment. Click on this and set up a test meeting. Even though it might feel like a mundane step, it's critical to perform this check. We are creating a controlled scenario where we can identify the issue rather than trying to troubleshoot during an important call, where stress can often hinder understanding and resolution. Now, if upon starting the meeting your camera still isn't working, the next step is to examine your camera connection. This can often be the simplest fix, and it's all about ensuring that your camera is properly connected to your device. For laptops with built-in cameras, this may involve checking if the camera is enabled in your device settings. For external cameras, double check to ensure all cables are securely connected. It's surprising how often cables might appear to be inserted correctly, but may need a little push to sit snugly into their ports. Reattaching the camera might reset any connectivity issues that were initially causing the malfunction. And there you have it. If you follow these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving most common camera issues in Microsoft Teams. Remember, technology isn't always perfect, but with a little patience and a systematic approach, many issues can be quickly resolved. Hopefully this helped clarify the process for you. If you encounter persistent problems with your camera, it could be worth considering a deeper technical investigation or reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.